Welcome back, Crammers, to question 14. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. Let's imagine this is the head of shape A and this is the head of shape B. We can see that it turns 180 degrees to face downwards. So we can say rotated 180 degrees. And we have to name the point at which it rotates about. We can see that this corner is congruent to this corner, and if we simply draw a line, any point which intersects on the vertices is the point of rotations. So rotated 180 degrees about point, and then we simply write the coordinates of the point, 0, 0. On the grid, reflect shape A in the line with equation x is equal to -1. So first we have to find -1 on the x-axis and draw a perpendicular line. Since it's reflected, we can imagine this as a mirror. It is 3 blocks from the mirror, so that means inside the mirror it'll also be 3 blocks in. But it'll maintain its height. It will merely be reflected into the mirror. So this is the reflection of shape A. Notice how it still has the exact same area, but it's flipped. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.